Chimichurri, a favorite addition to many proteins, usually steaks, but it's also really great on fries or on vegetables. If you've never had it, you're in for a treat. Chimichurri is an Argentinian sauce made with herbs, olive oil, and vinegar. It's somewhat similar to a vinaigrette, but relies heavily on the herbs, whereas a basic vinaigrette doesn't usually. You can make this sauce ahead of time. To start, we combine a 1/4 cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and salt in a small bowl and let steep for 5 minutes to soften the oregano. Next, in our Vitamix, we add about 1.5 cups of fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 6 minced garlic cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. After some pulsing in the blender, it should be pulpy and still coarse. We don't want to make a puree out of our beautiful herbs. To this, we can now incorporate the water and now softened oregano into the mixture. Along with that, we pour in 1/4 to 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. I tend to go heavier only because I prefer it more. Pulse again briefly, only to combine. The mixture should now be a bit thinner, and we can transfer it to a medium bowl and slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of olive oil until emulsified, just like a vinaigrette. Now we can cover the chimichurri with plastic or a lid and let it sit at room temperature for at least 1 hour. You can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days, but make sure to bring it back up to room temperature and re-whisk before serving. We serve this chimichurri with steak frites and it elevates it to another level. Thanks again for sticking around this long. If you like what you saw, you can find the full recipe on our website, recipesrecommended.com. Also, please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have a recipe you think we should make, send us a message and we'll check it out. We may also make a video. We thank you for joining us, and please don't forget, great minds eat alike.